Did you know that broccoli contains more vitamin C than an orange? Yep, that's right. This little green powerhouse packs a serious punch when it comes to nutrients. So, is broccoli the ultimate superfood for optimal health? You bet. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, and there's one contender that stands out from the rest: broccoli. This humble vegetable is often overlooked, but it's time we give it the spotlight it deserves. So, grab your forks and let's explore why broccoli might just be the ultimate superfood. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about something real for a second. Many of us have grown up hearing that vegetables are good for us, but let's be honest, how many of us actually enjoy them? There's a common misconception that veggies are boring and tasteless, which can make it super challenging to incorporate them into our diets. Plus, with all those fast food options and tempting snacks out there, it's easy to forget about good old broccoli. But here's the thing, we need to break down these barriers and see how amazing veggies, especially broccoli, can be for our health. Exploration/development. So, why is broccoli such a big deal? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into its nutritional benefits. Broccoli is loaded with vitamins like K, C, and A, plus it's a great source of fiber, which is essential for digestion. But wait, there's more. This green veggie is also packed with minerals like potassium and calcium, which help keep our bones strong. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Overall, these nutrients work together to boost our immune system, improve our skin health, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Seriously, who knew that munching on some broccoli could do so much good? Climax/key moment. Now, here's something that might blow your mind. A recent study revealed that eating broccoli regularly can lead to a whopping 50% reduction in the risk of certain cancers. That's right, this superfood isn't just good for you, it could literally save your life. Researchers found that the compounds in broccoli, especially when eaten raw or lightly cooked, can help your body fight off harmful cells. So next time you're at the grocery store, think about loading up on this green goodness. Conclusion/summary. Alright, to wrap things up, we've learned that broccoli is not just a side dish, it's a nutritional heavyweight. With its impressive vitamin and mineral content, along with its cancer-fighting properties, broccoli truly deserves a seat at the table of superfoods. So, if you're looking to boost your health, don't underestimate this little green vegetable. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace broccoli in your meals? Let us know in the comments below how you like to prepare it. And if you're hungry for more healthy eating tips, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy eating!